how to create a simple form in Monday. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So over here, you want to go to your workspace, and here you can click on Add View. Now, if you click on there, you can over here see Form. Now, if this if Form is not here, you can also click on More Views and then search for Form over here, and then you can also add it. So click on Open in Board, and here you can see like a whole tutorial as well. But you can also just keep watching this video, I guess. Here you can add an account logo, and then change it. Here you can give it a title, so say like HTTP form, add a description, blah blah blah. Over here you can add a couple questions. So this is already a default question that you can change. Over here you can change the options, as you can see. So this is quite nice, and you can add even more options. You can also add a new question, short text, long text, number. So you can actually add a lot of this, so true or false maybe. You see, so you can do all of that, to be honest, and it's pretty nice, to be honest, because it actually looks pretty similar as Google Forms, but there might actually be more over here than in Google Forms, which is quite cool. And over here you can also click on preview, and then you can preview everything. By doing that, but you can also once you're done, click on share form, and over here you can you can copy the shareable link, and this embed link is for if you want to embed it to a website or whatever. But yeah, this is how you can like share it. And if you don't like this form, or you want to like remove it, you can also deactivate the form. Over here, and it says this form is now deactivated. Users are not able to access this form or submit new answers. So that's quite nice. If you don't want that, you can also just reactivate it again. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. Also next time, have a great day.